Meet Professor Paul Freiters. He started a revolutionary new academy to help critical minds fully develop. Meet Sienna. At the tender age of 21, she flew all the way down from sunny Australia to join this new academy. Already fully cognitively developed, right? So what did you think of each other before Academia Liberamentus started last year?
I thought Paul was a bit of an ass.
I thought Sienna was a royal pain in the ass.
So Paul, how was it teaching such a royal pain in the ass?
Well, I do enjoy a challenge.
So Sienna, did you learn anything then?
Well,
Do you now recognize mutual debt?
yep.
What do you now make of data in the news?
Well, I'm deeply suspicious.
Learn anything about yourself?
Yes, I learned I'm capable of standing up for myself in conversation, Paul.
So you learnt something then? Were there any other positives?
I can think of one or two.
Do you two get on better now?
Well...
Mine's the story of a new academy, written by Paul Freiters and Sienna Baker.
Order now.